We just got these awesome box lights in, so very easy to use. So you can see here, it does have some adjustable heights, but once you open this up, let me show you the other one. It only takes like a minute or two to set it up. It looks like it's inverted, so you're just gonna pull this down. We went with these ones because they had a much better base and then they had lighter tops. So we have this older one that we've been working on that it's just a little bit top heavy and tips over. So all you gotta do is flip this inside out here, tighten this base, and then now you have all these adjustments. So you can do whatever height you need. This is gonna be for videos, but you can also use this for your photos or any kind of studios you have there, so you can adjust all these various heights. This part just slides on here, and then you just tighten this on, and then it's good to go. So they are gonna be wired, so you don't have to worry about charging or any issues there. I was trying to figure out how to make this a little bit tighter, so you just pull this back. So you pull this back, and then it's gonna tighten up like that. So that's perfect. I was trying to figure that out, and now you can go do the Velcro. Let's turn these things on. You can see how bright they are. To tighten that is going to be right here. So it doesn't fall down on you. It does come with lights and everything you need, which is pretty awesome. And then it has a Velcro cover. So let me just make sure these are lined up properly. Looks like there's some extra clips, but pretty straightforward. It does come with this little cover as well. So they do have those little Velcro straps. So nothing fancy, but this is going to get everything you need done. And then it does have different light modes. So all you got to do is switch it on and off until you get the light mode that you want. So you can see that it's going to change through there, and then you just keep them stationary. So it does come with this remote. You need to go get AAA batteries, but this is going to be really nice. All I have to do is switch that switch back and forth and then hold the setup. So you can make all these adjustments here. So you can see that it's turning a little bit more like white or blue, or you can go a little bit more the other direction, but it does have a remote that's going to Bluetooth sync to it, and then you can also turn it off. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for some simple lights that are going to set up your studio.